The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Joe Daviess County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Nora, Oregon, 15 miles southwest of Monroe, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near Winslow around 3:15 p.m. Lena around 3:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Wadhams Grove, Lake Lackawanna State Park, and Joe Daviess County Fairgrounds. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in the Quad Cities.